All right, here's an interesting question for you that came up during the last FT8 off. I have an ICOM 7300 here. There's your SWR meter that we're going to be looking at. I have the ATU 100 here, but this could be any tuner, manual or auto tuner or whatnot. And I've got a DX Commander Classic, which goes down as low as 40 meters. So this antenna is not resonant on 80 meters. Let's take a look and see. Look at that. SWR is off the charts. It says 9.99 to 1. So now we're going to bring it into shape. We're going to whip this thing into shape with the tuner here, the external tuner. Hold that button. It says tune. Hit the tune button. It starts working. We've got 1.81, 1.81. Those kind of agree. 60 watts out, 91% efficiency. Now, is that wrong? To get that down to 1 by hitting the internal tuner and the external tuner at the same time? Or is it right? You tell me, and maybe I'll tell you my opinion in the comments down below. There is a video right over here that I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome.